Hello, welcome to the Connect Show, where we're connecting students to careers. I'm Matt Ruth, CAD instructor at the Hearing Area Tech Center, and today we have a special guest, Michaela LeJeune, to talk with us about the career journey and some of the really great things she's been able to do with engineering. So Michaela, thanks for joining us. Let's get started off with talking about where you started your school career path and how it has led to where you are today.
Yeah, so I started as an HAT kid. I came in my junior year, went through your class, and then my second year as a senior, I ended up doing on-the-job training at Thumb Tool and Engineering. I did CNC programming there for about a year and a half before I ultimately ended up going off to college from there.
So how taking my class helped you start your career? Like, did it get you interested in it or prepare you?
It made me realize that I have the ability to think in a different way and a little bit more dynamically and constructively that I think is very applicable to an engineering field. Like being able to conceptualize and see how something is going to look before it's actually built, kind of thing.
Okay, so you took my class, and then where'd you go after my class?
After your class, I went to Michigan State University and got my engineering degree in applied engineering sciences, which is like a mechanical engineering with a business focus type.
So you did that. What'd you do? Like, did you work in the summer for any other places, or while you were at Michigan State?
Yeah, so every summer I would come back and work for a Gemini Group company. So I did Thumb Tool when I was in high school, and then I went to Gemini Plastics as a quality intern for a year, and then I worked at GPMI for another summer, and then COVID hit and I wasn't able to return back as an intern, but Thumb Tool did ultimately hire me as a full-time in May of 21.
Now, working at those different companies through Gemini, their different plants, what did you get to experience that made you decide to stay at Thumb Tool?
I don't know. I'm sorry, can you ask that one more time?
Like Gemini has the different plants, like they do plastics, they do metals and stuff like that, and you ended up choosing Thumb Tool, which is metals. Was there a reason that you didn't like one of the other ones, or like one that, like the metals interested you more, or?
We like to say that metals has more fun. I loved working at GPI and GPMI. It just so happened to be that I had an opportunity to go to Thumb Tool, and that was the place that I started, and I've always had such a passion for what they do, and also being able to connect with our sister companies in Alabama and Ohio also on top of that.
So GPMI has offered you a lot of different things of different plants that you could work at and try, as well as different states that you could go to see what they're doing or work with them?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Is there anything you would say to students nowadays that would help prepare them for a career path in this direction?
One of the things that I try to tell any student whom I have interactions with is don't be afraid to ask questions and learn more. I have an engineering degree, but I also do data entry, data analytics, a lot of different stuff that I've been able to kind of get my hands into just by being curious and being able to move in a different direction and learn as much as I can constantly. That's one of the things that I think I try to do the most is have continuous learning no matter what it is I'm doing.
So continually build your network with different people and continue to build your knowledge to make you more valuable to the company.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you know so much more. Is there anything you're like currently working on right now that you can share with us that is exciting, or?
So I've been a part of an intercompany automation project, and what we're doing is we're taking our CAD software and we're taking it from what I say the 20th century into the 21st century. So we're updating 2D CAD, 3D CAD, and also our CNC programming. And that is also being done not only at Thumb Tool, but also our sister companies. And there's a lot of things that need to move and happen at the same time in order for that to be successful.
So this is updating like all your software to the newer, better versions of everything, or a different product that works way better.
Yeah, even taking what we currently have and fine-tuning it to maybe bring it so that way it's more efficient so we can do more with less.
Okay, and so you can communicate better between the plants also. Okay. Well, we greatly appreciate your time here, and thank you all for watching this content today. Check out our YouTube channel for more career stories from around the great state of Michigan. Have a great day.